Welcome to Module 2. So now it's time to buckle up because this is where the tires proverbially hit the road. We're going to start making music. Now, when I sit down to create music, I usually start from a feeling. And then what I like to do is I like to gather ideas that express this feeling. So this module is all about experimenting and exploring different ideas to find out what works and what doesn't work. And Session View is the perfect place to do this because what we can do is we can create various patterns in the form of clips. And if you remember, clips are the basic building blocks of Ableton Live. And then we can arrange them in the Session View grid. Now, there are multiple ways in which we can create parts in Ableton Live. We can either use our computer keyboard, we can use the mouse, we can use a controller of our choice. In this case, I'm using my Ableton PUSH. Or we can use an audio input such as this microphone right here. And we're going to be exploring all of these various options within this module. So sit tight. Now, obviously, sound is the means by which we communicate musical ideas. So I personally like to start with sound as the starting point of my journey, finding a sound that really resonates with me, that helps me explore the feeling that I'm trying to express. So let's start this track by finding an interesting drum sound, tweaking it to our liking, and then creating our initial drum beat. And we're going to be using the piano roll to do that. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.